Assalamu alaikum aspirants. This session will test your command over English. You will face questions on synonyms, antonyms, sentence correction, error spotting and comprehension. Each question checks not only your vocabulary but also your grammar and clarity of thought. Approach every question as if it were in the real exam because these are the same patterns you will meet in the CSS paper. तो इस लेक्चर में हम 50 MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। हमारे पास फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चूज द सिनोनिम ऑफ इफेमरल। इफेमरल का क्या मतलब है? इटर्नल, ट्रांजिएंट, परमानेंट और इंड्यूरिंग। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी में ट्रांजिएंट। इफेमरल रेफर्स टू समथिंग शॉर्ट लिव्ड और टेम्परेरी, मेकिंग ट्रांजिएंट द क्लोजेस्ट सिनोनिम एज इट implies passing quickly. Words like eternal and permanent are antonyms, denoting longevity, and this term is often used in literature to describe fleeting movements. Next question हमारे पास है, the jury were divided in their opinion, was divided in its। इसका correct answer है। In English grammar, jury is a collective noun treated as singular when acting as a unit, requiring was and its. Using were and there suggests plurality, and which is incorrect here. So this correction ensures subject-verb agreement. Next question, what is the antonym of ubiquitous? Ubiquitous का antonym है, opposite word है यहाँ पर rare. Ubiquitous means present everywhere, so rare meaning seldom found is the direct antonym, and options like omnipresent and widespread are synonyms, and this word pair is common in vocabulary test. Next question हमारे पास है, fill in the blanks, CEO dash strategy। तो इसका सही जवाब है astute. Astute implies shrewdness and intelligence, fitting a successful strategy. Reckless would suggest failure, so this choice highlights positive leadership qualities. The next question है grammar error. A number of students is absent. Is, ठीक है, यहाँ पर number of is followed by plural verb, or because it implies plurality, is singular and incorrect. So this is a common subject verb agreement error. Then next question हमारे पास है, synonyms of laconic। laconic का मतलब है concise. laconic means using few words, synonymous with concise, and verbose and loquacious are antonyms, meaning wordy. So this term originates from Spartan brevity. Next question, conditional sentence error. If he would have studied, he would pass. So if he had studied, he would have passed. This is a third conditional sentence for unreal past situations and requiring had studied and would have passed. The original mixes tenses incorrectly and it expresses regret over past actions. Next question हमारे पास है 48, antonyms of misanthrope। misanthrope का opposite word है यहाँ पर philanthropist। misanthrope hates humanity while philanthropist loves and helps people. Cynic and hater align with misanthrope, so this contrast is key in character descriptions. Next question, fill in the blanks. Artist dash use of color. Innovative. Innovative suggests originality, fitting something captivating. Banal or mundane imply dullness, so this word praises creative expression. The next question हमारे पास है grammar focus, subject verb agreement. One of the books are missing, or so one of takes a singular verb is as it focus on the singular subject. Are is plural and wrong, so this test singular plural agreement should be is. The next question, synonym of perspicacious. So इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी में shrewd. Perspicacious means having keen insight. Synonymous with shrewd, dull are antonyms, so it's used for perceptive individuals. The next question देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन 52, द सीजर्स इज़ ऑन द टेबल। तो इसकी करेक्ट फॉर्म है आर ऑन द टेबल, ठीक है। सीजर्स इज प्लूरल रिक्वायरिंग आर इज ट्रीट्स इट एज अ सिंगुलर इनकरेक्टली, सो दिस इज अ रूल फॉर प्लूरल नाउन्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 53, एंटोनिम ग्रीगेरियस। ग्रीगेरियस का अपोजिट वर्ड है यहाँ पर ऑप्शन बी रिक्लूसिव। Gregarious means sociable, so reclusive meaning solitary is the antonym, and sociable and outgoing are synonyms, and it describes personality types. Next question है question 54, his dash apology। तो इसका सही ऑप्शन है perfunctory। perfunctory means superficial explaining, failure to mend, sincere or genuine would succeed. So this highlights insincere actions. So option B जो है वो इसका सही जवाब है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, द हर्ड ऑफ कैटल आर ग्रेजिंग. तो एरर यहाँ पर है आर. ठीक है, herd is singular collective, needing is R implies plurality wrongly. So this is a subject verb agreement. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है इंट्रांसिजेंट. इंट्रांसिजेंट का सिनोनिम है यहाँ पर स्टबर्न. ठीक है, इंट्रांसिजेंट मीन्स अनविलिंग टू compromise like stubborn, and flexible is an antonym used in negotiations. So next question हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट, नाइदर जॉन नॉर हिज फ्रेंड्स इज अटेंडिंग. तो यहाँ पर आर अटेंडिंग जो है इसका सही जवाब है. व्हेन नॉर जॉइंस सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल, वर्ब एग्रीज विद नियरर सब्जेक्ट फ्रेंड्स, सो आर. इज इनकरेक्ट, एंड दिस फॉलो प्रॉक्सिमिटी रूल. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास एंटोनिम यूफेमिज्म. यूफेमिज्म का एंटोनिम है यहाँ पर डिसफेमिज्म. Euphemism soften harsh terms, while dysphemism harshens them, and others are synonyms, so it is a rhetorical device. The next question है हमारे पास proactive policy. The policy was dash to prevent future crises. तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन बी है proactive. The policy was proactive to prevent future crises. Proactive means acting in advance, fitting prevention, and retrograde or reactive imply backward or after the fact. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास 60. और एवरीवन शुड डू देयर ड्यूटी. सो एरर है यहाँ पर देयर. एवरीवन इज सिंगुलर, नीडिंग हिज और हर. देयर इज प्लूरल मिसमैच. सो मॉडर्न यूजेज समटाइम्स एक्सेप्टेड बट फॉर्मली इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास एब्रेशन. एब्रेशन का सिनोनिम्स है यहाँ पर डेविएशन. Aberrations mean departure from normal like deviation. Normality is antonym used in science and behavior. Next question है हमारे पास 62. The United States have a strong economy. Has a strong economy. United States is singular requiring has. Have is plural error, so treat as one entity. Next question number 63. एंटोनिम ऑफ मैग्नेनिमस. मैग्नेनिमस का अपोजिट वर्ड है यहाँ पर पैटी. मैग्नेनिमस मीन्स जनरस इन स्पिरिट. एंटोनिम पैटी मीन्स स्मॉल माइंडेड, एंड जनरस इज सिनोनिम डिस्क्राइब्स कैरेक्टर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिटेक्टिव डैश ऑब्जर्वेशन. यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन है कीन. कीन मीन्स शार्प एंड परसेप्टिव लीडिंग टू सोल्यूशन. सुपरफिशियल वुड फेल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. She sings more beautifully than him. Pronouns case error. तो यहाँ पर है him. ठीक है, after then use subject pronoun he. Him is object from a form error, so this is pronoun case. Next question. Synonyms of eschew. eschew का synonym यहाँ पर है ऑप्शन बी में avoid. ठीक है, eschew means to abstain from and synonymous with avoid. Embrace is antonym, often in moral context. Next question number 67. Correct the sentence I wish I was Taylor. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए के अंदर I wish I were Taylor. Subjunctive mood for wishes uses verb. Was is indicative error. Expresses unreal condition. Next question number 68. Antonym of opulent. Opulent का जो antonym है वह है ऑप्शन बी impoverished. Opulent means rich. Antonym impoverished means poor. Wealthy is synonym describes luxury. Next question number 69. The ambassador dash speech eased tensions. तो यहाँ पर है ऑप्शन बी diplomatic. Diplomatic means tactful, easing tensions. Proactive would was a key in international relations. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है आइडेंटिफाई द एरर. द मीडिया इज़ बायस्ड. मीडिया इज़ बायस्ड और नो एरर. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी नो एरर. मीडिया कैन बी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. हियर सिंगुलर इज एक्सेप्टेबल, सो कॉमन इन मॉडर्न यूजेज, नो करेक्शन नीडेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 71. सिनोनिम ऑफ कैप्रेशियस. कैप्रेशियस का क्या मतलब है? कैप्रेशियस का मतलब है फिकल. ठीक है, capricious means changeable like fickle, and predictable is antonym. Then next question, question number 72. Less people attended the event. Correct the sentence. Fewer people attended, less people attended, fewer people attended or no change. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए में fewer people attended. People is countable, needing fewer, and less for uncountable. Standard quantity rule. Then next question, question number 73. Antonyms of sanguine. Sanguine का जो opposite word है यहाँ पर है ऑप्शन बी में pessimistic. Sanguine means optimistic, antonym pessimistic. Optimistic is synonym. Then next question है her dash critics help improve the draft. तो यहाँ पर है ऑप्शन बी constructive. ठीक है, constructive means helpful, improving the draft. Destructive would harm. Focus on positive feedback. Next question, question number 75. Identify the error. Whom did you see? Whom, did, you or no error. तो यहाँ पर है ऑप्शन डी no error. Whom is correct object pronoun. Sentence is proper, so test pronoun usage. The next question, question number 76. Synonym of obfuscate. Obfuscate का मतलब है confuse. ठीक है, ऑप्शन बी. Obfuscate means to make unclear and synonymous with confuse. Clarify is antonym used in communication. Next question, correct the sentence. The boy which win is my friend. तो इसका सही जवाब है यहाँ पर ऑप्शन ए the boy who win. For people use who and which is for things. Then next question, question number 78. Antonym of SEQS. SEQS का यहाँ पर अपोजिट वर्ड है resist, ऑप्शन बी. ठीक है, SEQS means to accept passively. Antonym resist means oppose. The next question, fill in the blanks. The scientist dash theory revolutionized the field. तो यहाँ पर है ऑप्शन बी ground breaking. ठीक है, the scientist ground breaking theory revolutionized the field. Ground breaking means innovative and causing revolution. Then next question हमारे पास है identify the error. Between you and I it's a secret. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी के अंदर you and I. After preposition between Jews, me, I is subject error. Pronoun case issue. Next question, synonym of juxtapose. Juxtapose का synonym है यहाँ पर compare. Juxtapose means place side by side for comparison and separate is opposite, used in analysis. The next question, correct. He runs quick. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन है he runs quickly. ठीक है, quick is adjective. Adverb quickly modifies runs. Adverb usage rule. The next question हमारे पास है antonym of inundate. तो drain है इसका जो opposite word. ठीक है, inundate means to flood. Antonym drain means to empty. So flood is synonym. Then next question है हमारे पास the judges dash ruling. तो इसका सही जवाब है impartial. ठीक है, impartial means fair, suitable for the precedent, and biased implies unfairness. The next question, error in. There is too many errors. There is error plural needing r is singular mismatch. Existential sentence agreement. Next question, next हमारे पास passage है. So climate change poses a significant threat to biodiversity, altering ecosystem and leading to species extinction. Rising temperature and changing precipitation patterns disrupt habitats, forcing species to migrate or adopt. While some organisms may thrive in new conditions, many face challenges in survival. International efforts such as the Paris Agreement aim to mitigate these impacts through emission reductions and conservation strategies. However, implementation remains uneven across nations. तो इस passage से क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि व्हाट इज़ द मेन थ्रेट डिस्कस इन द passage. तो क्लाइमेट चेंज टू बायोडाइवर्सिटी यहाँ पर डिस्कस हुआ है. द passage फोकस ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज अल्टरिंग इकोसिस्टम्स एंड काजिंग एक्सटेंशन. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फोर्सिंग माइग्रेशन और अडेप्टेशन. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू passage क्लाइमेट चेंज इफेक्ट्स स्पीशीज बाय फोर्सिंग माइग्रेशन और अडेप्टेशन, changing temperature disrupt habitats, requiring species to move or adjust. Then next, mitigation through agreements. The passage indicates that international efforts focus on mitigation through agreements like Paris. Efforts aim at emission cuts and conservation impacts. Implementation varies addresses global response. और अगर हम इस passage के टोन की बात करते हैं तो इसका जो है सही ऑप्शन होगा concern. It discusses threats and challenges seriously without positivity. So highlights uneven progress informative yet alarming. और लास्ट क्वेश्चन अगर हम इससे रिलेटेड देखें कि जो है वो मिटिगेट का अपोजिट वर्ड जो है इस पैसेज के अंदर, तो यहाँ पर वर्ड होगा एग्जर्सिबेट, ठीक है। मिटिगेट मीन्स टू लेस, एंटोनिम एग्जर्सिबेट मीन्स टू वर्जन, एलिवेट इज सिनोनिम fits environmental context. So you have practiced the core areas that decide success in the English section. Do not stop here. Revise these rules daily, build your vocabulary, and train yourself to read carefully. Mistakes in practice are lessons, not failures. If you keep this routine steady, you will enter the exams hall with confidence and accuracy.